Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to find the power storage module blueprint so that you can add additional power storage to your base. So if it's like solar powered, these are basically just big power batteries for your base. You'll have power during the night when there's no sun out. So to get the power storage modules, we're going to head to the south until we reach the giant hole in the ground, and we're starting out here at the life pod as per usual. So we're going to head directly sort of southwest to 195 until we get to this big hole, and then we're going to take a hard right and we're going to follow the hole around until we see a big piece of wreckage that is hanging over the ledge right here. And beyond this wreckage is a spire, and below this spire is where we're going to. This is where one of the colonists built their hidden secret hideout. So we're going to pop down here, and then we're going to go right inside, and that's where our first chunk of the blueprint is going to be. It's right here on the wall, and you can also find a piece of the rebreather blueprint right here as well. There's also some other goodies in here, including a biobed upgrade that you can get that'll improve your inventory. I suggest you check that out. And then we're going to head off to the next location. So for the second piece of the blueprint, you're going to need to have the heat modification, and then we're going to head towards like 120, 105 on the compass, past this other downed rocket piece, this downed spaceship chunk right here, and we're going to enter the hot zone. Basically, where we're going to go for the next piece is in the hidden base inside of the hot caves. But we're going to go in the back door rather than finding it through the front door. So you're going to want to go through the sulfur area, and then all these different spires mean that we're going in the right direction. And then we're going to kind of coast over to the east a little bit as we enter the hot zone. So this is the hot zone. You can kind of tell because there's literally like a debarkation in the water between cold and hot. And when you look down, you should see a bunch of dead crabs. And what we're looking for as we reach the hot zone is there's a crab chilling out here on top of this hill, looking down at this mystery hole. And at the bottom of this hole is going to be the hot caves base. So if you go all the way down here, this is where it's really important to go for the story later. But inside of here, if you take a hard right, on the floor in here is going to be the final blueprint piece for the power storage. So give that a scan, and you should have the power storage unlocked. There's a bunch of other goodies in here, so make sure you scan everything that you may or may not have already, and then you can head out. There's even a Noah for part of the story. So once you've got all that, you can head back to your tadpole, or you can just zip directly straight up if you just have your wake maker, and then you can head back to your base and build your power storage. The power storage itself isn't too expensive. It just takes 1 germanium ingot, which I believe is 2 lead, and then it takes 2 things of salt and some titanium. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This is where you find the power storage blueprint fragments so that you can add power storage to your base. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.